Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where full screen apps and games keep minimizing themselves in Windows, then please watch this video. Now before anything else, just run a malware scan. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command MRT and hit enter. This will open the malware removal tool. Click on next, select full scan, click on next and let it scan through. The next one is to disable notifications. And how would you do that? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Search for notifications in the search bar and click on notifications and actions. Simply switch them off, switch all of them off. Okay. The next one is to disable game mode. Now in the same settings window, search for game mode. Click on game mode settings and turn this off as well. I'll tell you why, because you don't need it. The game itself will adjust itself accordingly. And lastly, update the graphics card drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. And then open the display adapters. Right click on this, update driver. Right click on the second one, update driver. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.